today's project, I'm going to go ahead and turn this. This is a Christ Centered Ironworks cutout blank. This happens to be their large size cross, and we're going to turn it into this. So I actually picked up 3 of these when I met Roy and Thomas down at the Central Virginia Blacksmiths Guild Hammer-In back in March. So I just happened to get around to getting these done right around Easter. So good timing on for what we're doing. So go ahead and get started, and we'll talk about it when we're done. So stay tuned. Yeah, it was a really fun project. One thing that I learned was I need a lot more practice chasing a line with a chisel. It's very easy to get off mark and screw your line up, and I actually did that once or twice, but I think I was able to run it out and blend it in, I hope. Another thing we did was we used the rounding hammer to kind of give it a 3D dimension, try to lift up the center of the cross and down here in the ends, kind of give it a more of a 3D type look. This was actually the second one I'd done, so this was the better of the two. So this is the one that I made the video on, and I still have one more to do, and thought I might save that for another idea. And but for right now, yeah, pretty happy with how this turned out. It was a really fun build. And one other thing I did was I welded on a wall hanger. This is just it's a piece of steel with a hole in it that I straightened out, and basically just welded it onto the back, and it will hang on the wall. I've already had it hanging on the wall, and it looks real nice. So yeah, go ahead and pull you back. We're going to talk about Roy and Thomas and our experience at the Central Virginia Blacksmith Guild. So hold on. So meeting Roy and Thomas down at the Central Virginia Blacksmith Guild hammer-in, it was a real pleasure. Watched Roy work pretty much the whole day on Saturday. I got there a little bit late, but not too late, and we pretty much stayed till it was dark. And outside of about an hour and a half lunch maybe, I mean, Roy was out there all day doing it. And yeah, no joke, no editing. What you see on YouTube is what he does every day in real life. So got to admire his dedication and devotion to the craft. And yeah, he's one heck of a blacksmith. It's just to see it in person is humbling, and I want to thank him for being so nice. I actually got to shake his hand, so thank you, Roy. Picked up a few items. I still have the swedge kit over there for the swedge block holder, swedge block stand. So that still that still needs to get welded together, and that will happen in short order. But yeah, also Thomas Goodymoot, great guy. His eagerness to learn and his excitement running the treble hammer, showing people how it works, and letting them use it. I mean, really nice people, really nice guy. And yeah, he seems really excited to learn about everything he can learn. And yeah, those two, they're just a great team. It's like peanut butter and jelly there. So again, thanks Roy, thanks Thomas. Thanks for putting the word out about the hammer-in, because had it not been for you, I never would have heard about it, and I would have missed a great day. And it was a great day. So again, thanks. I want to thank them. I want to thank you guys, for stopping by and watching this. And remember, just if you never heard of them, I'm sure most everybody here has. Check both of them out on the YouTube at you see Christ Centered Ironworks on YouTube and Thomas Goodymoot on YouTube, and they're also on Instagram, and I think they're just about everywhere. So. Again, thanks. Thanks for stopping by and watching my efforts. And yep, have a happy Easter, and we'll catch you on the next one.